Have you ever pondered why the Frisians are the tallest people in the world? An intriguing question, isn't it? Who are the Frisians, and what makes them tower above the rest of us? Well, let's delve into this fascinating subject. Nestled in the northern part of the Netherlands and parts of Germany, the Frisian people are known for their unique culture, distinct language, and interestingly, their remarkable height. They stand as the tallest people on Earth, men averaging 6 feet, and women just a few inches shorter. This is no recent phenomenon, mind you. They have been outgrowing the rest of the world for centuries. But what's behind this towering stature? Is it something in the water, or perhaps something in their genes? Or is it a combination of both? The answer to that is a complex tapestry of history, genetics, and environment, woven together in a way that's as fascinating as it is mysterious. Could it be that their Viking ancestors, the formidable warriors of old, have passed down their towering stature through the generations? Or perhaps it's the result of their traditional diet, rich in dairy products from their abundant farmland. And let's not forget the role of natural selection, the survival of the fittest, the tallest, in this case. But it's not just about height. The Frisians' towering stature is also a symbol of their resilience, their adaptation to their environment, and their unique culture. It's a testament to their history, from the Viking era to the present day. Now I know what you're thinking, there's a lot to unpack here, and you're right. The story of the Frisians' height is a journey that spans centuries, crosses borders, and delves into the very essence of what makes us human. So, are you ready to embark on this journey with us? To dive deep into the past, to unravel the secrets buried within our genes, and to explore the culture that shaped the tallest people in the world? To unlock this mystery, we must voyage back into history, into the lives of the Frisians. Scene script. Journey with me now as we step back in time to the era of the Frisians. The Frisians, a fascinating group of people, have a rich history that takes us back to the first millennium AD. Originating from the coastal parts of the Netherlands and Germany, they led a life deeply intertwined with the sea. The Frisians were known for their seafaring prowess, an attribute that led them to be well-respected traders and feared warriors. Now, let's dive into their Viking heritage. The Frisians and the Vikings shared the same era, and there was substantial interaction between the two groups. The Vikings, originating from Scandinavia, were well known for their height, strength, and seafaring abilities, characteristics that also defined the Frisians. It's thought that their shared lifestyle, heavily influenced by the harsh conditions of the North Sea, might have contributed to the towering height of both these groups. This lifestyle was not for the faint-hearted. It required immense physical strength and endurance to survive the harsh conditions of the North Sea. The constant rowing of boats, the physical labor involved in their everyday tasks, and the protein-rich diet of fish and meat all contributed to their robust physique. Over generations, these physical traits, including their height, may have been selectively favored, leading to the Frisians becoming one of the tallest people on Earth. But is this the whole story? After all, there are many communities around the world that have similarly physically demanding lifestyles, yet do not share the same towering heights as the Frisians. So what makes the Frisians stand out from the rest? Well, the answer may lie in our genes. Each person's height is determined by a complex interplay of their genetic makeup and environmental factors. While the lifestyle of the Frisians might have played a role, it's also possible that they may have a unique combination of height-related genes that set them apart from the rest. The Viking way of life may have played a role, but the secret lies deeper, in the very building blocks of life: genetics. Our genes, the blueprint of our bodies, could they hold the secret to the Frisians' towering height? Think of the human body as a complex piece of machinery. Each component, each function, each detail, meticulously designed and constructed. The blueprint for this intricate design, our genes. They are the architects of our bodies, determining everything from the color of our eyes to the structure of our bones. Now, when it comes to our height, it's a bit more complex. Height is a polygenic trait, meaning it's influenced by a combination of numerous genes. Scientists have identified over 700 genetic variants associated with height, but even with all these genes combined, they only account for about 20% of the variation in people's heights. The rest is influenced by environmental factors such as nutrition. But for the Frisians, a people known for their towering stature, the genetic component might play a more significant role. Genetic studies have found a high prevalence of specific height-associated genes within the Frisian population. These genes, such as HMGA2 and GDF5, among others, have been linked to increased height. However, where did these height genes come from? The answer lies in the Frisians' historical journey. The Frisians are descendants of the Vikings, a group of seafaring warriors from Scandinavia. The Vikings were known for their formidable height, and it seems they passed down these height genes to their Frisian descendants. It's also worth noting that these genes didn't just randomly appear in the Viking population. They were likely the result of natural selection. Taller individuals might have had an advantage in battles or hunting, leading to their genes being more likely to be passed down to the next generation. So, it appears that the secret to the Frisians' height is much more than just a good diet or living conditions. It's a legacy, a genetic gift from their Viking ancestors, a testament to their history and a symbol of their strength. So the secret to the Frisians' height lies in their genes inherited from their Viking ancestors. Today, the Frisians stand tall, quite literally, as the tallest people in the world. In the contemporary world, the Frisians, a Germanic ethnic group native to the Netherlands and Germany, have indeed reached record-breaking heights. On average, Frisian men tower at around 6 feet and 3 inches, while the women, not far behind, stand at around 5 feet and 7 inches. This is a stark contrast when compared to the global average height, which hovers around 5 feet and 7 inches for men, and 5 feet and 3 inches for women. But what could be the reason behind this towering phenomenon? While it's clear that genetics play a significant role, as we discussed in the previous segment, there might be more to this story. Let's delve into some potential environmental factors that may further contribute to the Frisians' height. Nutrition, for one, has been widely recognized as a key determinant of height. The Frisians are known for their dairy-rich diet, which is high in essential nutrients like calcium and protein. These nutrients are crucial for bone growth and development, potentially giving the Frisians a leg up, quite literally. Furthermore, the Frisians' lifestyle might also play a role. They lead an active outdoor lifestyle, which can stimulate growth hormones and promote overall physical health. Additionally, the relatively high standard of living and quality of healthcare in the Netherlands and Germany could also contribute to their remarkable height. However, it's important to note that these are only potential contributing factors. The exact reasons behind the Frisians' height are still a subject of ongoing research and debate. One thing is certain, though: the towering height of the Frisians is not just a physical attribute. It's a testament to their unique history and strong genetic lineage, a living, breathing monument to their Viking ancestors. The Frisians' height is a fascinating blend of history, genetics, and possibly environment. So, why are the Frisians the tallest people in the world? The answer is as intriguing as the question. We've journeyed through time, explored the annals of history, delved into the realm of genetics, and surveyed the world as it stands today. Each step has offered us a piece of the puzzle, a clue to the mystery of the towering Frisians. Let's take a moment to recap our findings. Our journey began with a trip back in time to the era of the Frisian Vikings. These formidable seafarers were not just known for their prowess in battle, but also for their striking stature. This historical context provides the first piece of our puzzle, suggesting a long-standing trend of height amongst the Frisians. Next, we ventured into the complex world of genetics. It appears that the Frisians' height is not simply a product of their Viking lineage, but is also coded in their DNA. Certain genetic variations prevalent amongst the Frisians contribute to their impressive stature. This genetic factor offers another piece to our puzzle. But history and genetics alone do not tell the full story. There could be potential environmental factors at play as well. The Frisians' traditional diet, rich in dairy and protein, coupled with their active lifestyle, could very well contribute to their height. This environmental clue completes our puzzle. So, there you have it. The Frisians' towering height is a complex interplay of historical, genetic, and potential environmental factors. It's a testament to their Viking heritage, a genetic code passed down through generations, and possibly a reflection of their lifestyle and diet. The Frisians stand tall, a testament to their Viking heritage and genetic code. If you're intrigued by the Frisians and want to learn more, why not learn their language? Visit learnfrisian.com today.